Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about FlashX. So I installed Simtac LEDs on my Super Meteor and I wanted a better hazard light configuration on my bike as compared to what is already present by default. I got this FlashX module recently from Bandidos and got it on sale for around $1,000. So the FlashX module is quite popular. It's been there for quite some time in the market, and it's pretty universal in terms of how you can use it with your existing bike. So the only difference is the wiring harness. This wiring harness is something that is specific to Super Meteor, and the FlashX module pretty much stays the same for all the bikes. So you can get this basically for a lot of Indian bikes that are available over here. So this is the main module. As you can see, it is configurable. It has a lot of presets that you can select from, and this coupler basically plugs into the existing module where the uh, indicator harness plugs in under your bike. So let's go ahead and install this. So I'm gonna install the FlashX on my bike, and also I'm gonna convert it to a solo finisher with a solo finisher. So for that you have to remove the rear seat. That's the easy part. You can remove that using the Allen keys in the default kit. Next you need a 8mm hex to open up the rear backrest and the front seat. It's a bit of a hassle, to be honest, but nothing that we can do about that. And this definitely needs a deep clean. Now we have to figure out which is the line for the rear blinkers, and I think this is it. Here we go. Okay, so this is the fun part now. The FlashX comes with a wiring harness that has the required plugs, and you can't really go wrong with that. So one end goes into the FlashX like this, and the other end goes. Let's just confirm if the rear lights are working or not, and they aren't, which is a good thing. That means we connected, or rather disconnected, a right thing. Okay, here we go. This goes here, this goes here, and the FlashX just started lighting up. Now all we need to do is activate it. Where is the documentation when we need it?
A few moments later.
Okay, seems like it is wrongly mentioned how to change or activate it. So left, right, left, stop. All right, so let me show you how it looks like. And to deactivate and save it, you just press the same pattern again that is used to activate. Left, right, left, stop. To activate, left, right, left, stop. And when you press the turn key, it deactivates and reactivates again once you press the center button. And that's interesting. Alright, let's just deactivate it for the time being. And there you go, we have the FlashX installed. Next, we are also gonna talk about the solo finisher. I got this from one of the fellow riders as he had no use for it, and I said, okay, let me just grab it from him. I'll leave it over here. It seems pretty okay. Keeping it like this, just ensure that there are no wires getting pinched anywhere that you don't want them to be. Alright, let's put this back, and we have the solo finisher. It is supposed to sit like that, and it already looks awesome. I need to clean it up, but we'll get it washed later on. Alright, so this is the final look of the bike with the solo finisher on, and I'm already digging it.